Today I'm going to show you how to add a dielectric mirror to your TV with a frame that fits over it, locking into place with no installation. When off, the glass functions as a mirror. When turned on, it vanishes completely, providing flawless picture quality. Unlike a two-way mirror, a dielectric mirror is tint-free, providing an unobstructed view of your television straight through the mirror. A frame kit is engineered to fit the model of TV you have. As opposed to other kits out there which are one-size-fits-all, you need to figure them out. Using the manufacturer's specifications along with our 15+ years of experience allows us to make you the perfect frame that simply locks into place. If you're after a more affordable solution or prefer to have a local framer work on your TV, I've left all the details down below on how we make them. The magic of the frame mirror TV is the glass, which is superior to every other kind in the market. It's a dielectric mirror, which is also known as an optical-grade beam splitter. It combines precise reflection with a tint-free, low-iron substrate to provide flawless picture clarity. The frame mirror kit fits over your TV on the wall, or for a more secure installation, it's placed in the frame and secured on all sides with the included Z-bar hanger. 90% of the installation is simply stringing cables back through your wall so your installation looks great when finished. If you're looking for a local installer, this will save you a ton of time because anyone can do it. A local AV installer or electrician can offer a professional cabling solution, so that's a great option when you want to hook up all your devices. I've left you a ton of our celebrity installations down below so you can see exactly what it looks like. We include an ultra slim wall mount with all our kits, which keeps your TV within 3/8 of an inch off the wall. A matching side frame wraps around the TV and goes back to the wall for a seamless appearance. One of the coolest features of the dielectric mirror is that you can combine it with an IR frame or PCAP foil, which adds touch capability straight through the mirror. I'll leave you all the details down below exactly how touch technology works and how you can add it to your dielectric mirror. We'll build a frame to fit over any brand and model you want. If you're unsure what type of TV to purchase, Samsung QLED TVs are often recommended because of their high brightness and exceptional viewing angle. By using a Samsung TV, you'll have all the features offered by their built-in operating system, including apps such as Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and phenomenal brightness and clarity. For additional capabilities, you can also plug in Roku, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, or a Windows PC. Alexa can be added for additional voice recognition features. A lot of people ask, what's the difference between using a standard two-way mirror and a dielectric mirror? Dielectric mirrors are manufactured with a dielectric multi-layer process which optimizes the transparency and reflection. The coating prevents tarnishing, offers enhanced durability, and it's easy to clean with standard cleaners such as Windex. If you need any help with your project, we're glad to help. Until next time, I'm John and I'll be seeing you in my next video.